they want also um, different minds, okay, different approach, different system, different culture.
Mhm.
So nothing walang nangyaring samaan ng loob, walang nangyaring gano'n. And then they finished my contract December 31. I mean, they're all professionals, we're all professionals na nagawa yon na hanggang December 31. And then nagpaalam ako, kinausap ko si Boss Al, tinanong ko kung anong status ko, ganyan ganito. So I mean, nag-usap kami ng maayos, and then yun, I can entertain offers, or I can apply now with other organizations, with other teams. But again, very very thankful ako sa kanila, lahat ng I mean, to the Lord, na binigay nila yung trabaho na yun sa akin, at lalo na sa mga boss ko. I mean, wala akong masabi, dahil nung nandun ako, sobrang tulong nung ginawa nila sa akin. So yun pa, walang nangyaring hindi maganda. So very
Oh,
professional lahat ng nangyari up to the last minute, at last day ng aking contract na nagawa. So yun yung masasabi ko. So maraming salamat sa San Miguel Group. Talagang ginawa nila yung kumbaga, masaya ako sa mga nangyari dun sa akin sa San Miguel, sa Magnolia. So now,
so sorry.
I want to move forward. So of course, I want to move forward. I'm blessed with my families. I'm blessed with konting business ko. And now, in the future, kung mayroon mang opportunity in any other organizations, or in San Miguel Group in the future na makabalik, so why not?